Stop buying expensive highlights. You don't need makeup to glow. You just need to know what Korean girls do before they even touch a skincare bottle. Most people think K-beauty is just about 10 steps of products. It's not. Today, I am sharing the real, hidden secrets of Korean beauty that will change your skin forever. Part 1. The secret nobody talks about. Let's start with a secret that sounds crazy, but it works like magic. It is a famous Korean technique called Jamsu, which means diving. Before doing your makeup, or just to get an instant glow, put cold water and ice cubes in a big bowl. Now, dip your clean face into this ice water for just 15 to 30 seconds. What does this do? The extreme cold temperature instantly shrinks your pores, reduces puffiness, and tightens your skin. It locks in your natural moisture and gives you a natural blush. If you do this before makeup, your makeup will look flawless and last all day without melting. Part 2. The core rituals. You've probably seen rice toners in shops. But did you know you can make the ultimate skin brightening secret at home? K-beauty heavily relies on fermentation. When you wash rice at home, don't throw away the water. Keep the second rinse. Leave it in a glass jar at room temperature for 24 hours. It ferments. This process releases antioxidants and nutrients that fight dark spots, tighten pores, and instantly brighten your face. Use it as a DIY mist before your moisturizer. Next, the application secret. Watch how you apply your creams. If you rub your face in downward motions, you are inviting wrinkles. Korean women use a patting or gentle, slapping motion. Part 3. Mastering the glass skin routine. Now let's break down the actual routine. You don't need 10 steps every single day, but you do need to understand the right order. The golden rule: double cleansing. If you only use a normal face wash at night, your skin is not clean. K-beauty introduced double cleansing. Step 1. Use an oil-based cleanser or micellar water. This melts away oil-based dirt like sebum, makeup, and sunscreen. Step 2. Follow up with a gentle, water-based foaming cleanser to clean the actual skin pores. If you skip the oil cleanser, your sunscreen stays stuck in your pores, leading to blackheads and tiny bumps. Next, the 7 skin method for intense hydration. Instead of buying a super heavy, oily cream that clogs your skin, use a lightweight, hydrating toner. But apply it 3 to 7 times in thin layers. Apply one layer, let it absorb for 10 seconds, then apply another. This builds deep hydration from inside out without making your skin look greasy. Part 4. Advanced protection. 1. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. In Korea, sun protection starts from childhood. UV rays destroy your collagen, the stuff that keeps skin bouncy. You must wear sunscreen every single day, even if it's cloudy or you are staying inside next to a window. If you hate the heavy feel of traditional sunscreens, look for Korean sun gels or sun essences. They feel completely like water, leave no white cast, and sit beautifully under makeup. Next, the internal glow, barley tea, and anti-inflammatory diet. What goes inside shows on the outside. In Korean restaurants and homes, they often drink boracha, roasted barley tea, instead of regular water. It is rich in antioxidants, improves blood circulation, and detoxifies your skin. So, these are the hidden Korean beauty secrets you can start trying today. Beautiful skin does not happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and the right habits. If you loved these tips, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more beauty secrets. Don't forget to comment below and tell me which tip you are going to try first. Thank you so much for watching.